Hello, my name is Fabio, more known as AFoxx. I'm a professional Valorant player for Team Hungry Titans, and today I'm here to try and become a chef for the first time in my life.
Hello, I'm Kendar. I'm the team manager of the Valorant team of HANGRY Titans, and today, together with AFoxx, we'll prepare some delicious carbonara.
Delicious carbonara.
It won't be delicious.
Alright, for today, our ingredients for the delicious pasta carbonara. To start off with 200 grams of this spaghettonis, very beautiful spaghettonis. And then we have 75 grams of pecorinos and parmesans. Yeah, this beautiful pecorino and parmesans. You also need eggs for real carbonara, because real carbonara don't take creams, they take eggs.
We also have some bacon instead of pancetta. I couldn't find any.
It's budget pancetta.
Yeah, and of course, to wrap things up, we have some quality spices from Hungry Crowd, some salt and black pepper.
Yeah.
Now we will start with our bacon. We will need to cut a nice slice off of it.
You need to do thin slice, man, thin slice.
No, it doesn't need to be thin because all the fat will render on the pan, and we need that for our carbonara.
Yeah, but that's too thick, man.
That's what we need. Now
You're gonna drop it in the juice.
That's what we need.
In the juice?
Yes.
No, it's not.
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
And I will need to cut this into smaller cubes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this fat will add all the flavor in our carbonara.
Really?
Yeah. And that's how much we are gonna use.
This part,
Yes.
not that part.
This part is mine.
Okay, we are gonna put our quality spices, Mr. and Mrs. Salt, and Mr. Pepper, in the bottles. Obviously, Mrs. is for Kendar.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. And Mr. Pepper is for me, because, yeah, I'm obviously the Mr. Oh, yeah. Not quality chef, though. That's okay. Okay, it's not okay. I need to be more careful. Oh, I'm doing too much. I got really focused on doing it well.
Perfect. Now we are gonna add some salt in for our pasta water. Perfect. We don't need a lot because bacon and cheese is already salty enough, and we will bring the temperature up for a boil.
Alright, now it's time to throw the pasta in the boiling water. If my chef is a good teacher, he teach me correctly. It's supposed to be twist.
You throw it in.
Just let it drop?
Yeah, close it. It's okay. Pretty nice. Could be better. 7 out of 10.
Really? Oh, it's like because there has to be more like this?
Yeah.
That's fine. For the first time. It's a good try. Alright, now it's time for the bacon. Since we got our spaghettis in. Do we need to turn this on first?
No.
Okay. No? Okay, just throw it in. The pan isn't working, but since it's bacon with really good fat, it will burn itself.
That's where our oil will be from.
That's where the magic starts. Can you remove this garlic?
No.
You want the garlic in there?
Yeah,
Why?
for the extra taste.
Okay.
Extra taste.
I want more bacon, so we're gonna get more bacon. Because this is what life is all about. Bacon. I'm watching the juice. There's more juice. Well, this big piece is gonna be juicy. Nice.
I'm gonna grab our pasta.
He's grabbing the pasta and put it on the... Whoa! Whoa! You could have warned me.
And now we need to prepare our eggs.
Yeah?
Okay. Putting our eggs in.
The juice? Take the juice. Damn, what a professional.
Now we add about 75% of our cheese in it.
Nice.
Now we're mixing it. We can add some of the pasta water in it.
You're doing a great job, Kendar.
Now, of course, we need some anti-kraut pepper.
That's that spice. That's where the magic starts. This is a...
Okay, now we open up again in a very, very low heat.
Yeah? Because right now it doesn't have to cook, it just has to be warm.
Yeah.
Right?
We need the eggs to coat the pasta, otherwise we will have fried egg noodles. And we don't
Which
want
is
that.
also nice, but not what we're going for today.
We throw in our sauce. I want to cover everything up evenly.
I think it's time for one of these, because it will look beautiful.
No!
Okay, whatever. I thought it was a good idea.
No, that's a noodle.
One of these?
Yes.
This is basic, man. Whatever. If I know one thing from the last videos, your plating skills, that was the worst so far.
I mean,
You gotta be bad at something, right? Here we go. Everyone cross their fingers.
fairly big.
A bit. I don't even know what you did. It's just...
Let's do it Greek style, okay?
Yeah?
Just grab everything and
Put it on the plate. And you can plate it after. I mean, that looks really good. I'm so proud of what I made today. All right, now for the finishing touches, let's grab some of this pecorino's cheese. Yeah, all of it, I know, but I'm doing it the fancy style. You know? You need to do it with love, you know? The more love you put into it, the better this cheese tastes.
I want to eat it hot though.
Okay.
There you go.
The quality pepper, look at them flakes. And this is how you make a real Italian dish. Look at this, HearthBeat. Take this. We won.
Better than
Where's
the
your pizza now? Hey, that was my line. All right, now it's time for my teammates to try this delicious food. Teammates, you can come up. This is a pasta carbonara.
No, it is bacon, it is not carbonara.
Yeah.
I have high expectations then,
Yeah, you should. It's really good.
because I love this stuff.
Yeah.
The Italian, I take it first.
I haven't tried it yet, but I think.
No, but
Yeah, forks are hard in these days. This might be a bit messy.
It's not fucking easy, man.
It's really salty,
Yeah,
but it's really nice.
we actually almost put no salt in the spaghetti, but just the cheeses and stuff
The cheese is really solid, yeah.
and the bacon.
Yeah. It's good for a North European carbonara.
Yeah.
For Italian one, I don't know.
No approval from Marco, but you
I'm
get
sorry.
approval from me.
No, yeah, it's good, but like,
Let me try it
Give
and
it-
then I'll give my approval, because you know you're being too judgy, but I ate your pizza.
I think I'll give this.
I think it's good. You can eat this, it's good.
I think I'll give this a 7 out of 10.
Yeah. 7 minus 6.9. Spaghetti everywhere, man.
Yeah, you go into the caveman days.
Now you see where I come from? It's a 7. Come on.
It's better than his pizza though. You know why?
Oh,
I'm gonna tell you why. When I take a bite, you taste my cheese, you taste my bacon, and you taste my spaghetti. When I took a bite of his pizza, air. It was just dough. There was nothing on my slice. You can rewatch this episode if you don't believe me. Nothing on my slice.
That's
Yeah?
facts.
Don't harass me like this. You're racist.
Jacob, you know, yeah, it's not, no, it's yeah. You tasted the pizza, now you taste the pasta. And you're
Always the final decision, or what?
Yeah, these are clean.
Okay. Today pasta.
No, it's not.
Better technique than us.
It looks delicious.
It's not so creamy, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
It's not like
it's
this,
light.
this cream carbonara. It's like a really nice light carbonara with nice pork taste. Yeah.
No spices. Yeah.
I would say a solid 6.5.
What? Alright, cut the VOD. I'm out.